It creates a great upheaval. Upheaval. What does it mean? Shake. Like William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, who born in 1564, and he shakes the world by his writings. Throughout the world, he wrote a number of tragedies, comedies, semi-tragedies, semi-comedies. By writing, he brought a revolutionary change in the minds of the readers of the English literature. So he is one of the greatest literary giant in the writings of the dramas, English dramas. He was the founder of English dramas as well. This time was really crucial time. This time was really crucial time because William Shakespeare, who born in 1564, he was known as the king of literature in English history. Everyone who was studying the literature, who is studying the literature and who will study the literature, he knows the special feature, the special salient features of this personality. William Shakespeare married with a woman who was 8 years older than him. She was 8 years older than him, and he wrote many sonnets, poems about the changes of his life. We will read his important poems. Let me do the marriage with the true hearts, not with true minds, because heart is the true place for making merry. So it was the lesson which were predicted by William Shakespeare. What is the real definition of love? Love, what we use time and again. What does the mean of love? Nobody knows about this word, and he explained this word in front of the people. Love is there in the universe as well. It was, it is, and it will. It works like a lighthouse in the ocean. It shows the path to the ships. It works like a north star of sky, which shows the direction to the aeroplanes. So it works like them. William Shakespeare has written a great literature in this time. Second, another literature he wrote, they are not marble nor the gilded monuments. Not marble nor the gilded monuments. How shall I compare thee? These are his important works that he written throughout his lifetime in the memory of his fast friend. He spent a lot of time with his friends, and he says that there is nothing in the world that can make me forever remembering of their memories, not marble nor the gilded monuments. It is only the words, only poems, only the writing of literature can make me immortal and unperishable forever. It is only in the power of literature, in the power of words. Word will remain forever. Today, yesterday, and tomorrow. It will remain forever. So this philosophy was addressed by this great inventor of the dramas. Earlier, this time also knowledgeable. You can write these words for enhancing your vocab, for writing such kind of personalities. Knowledgeable, informative, knowledgeable. Informative, instructive, directive. Starting of the literature, we believe that it is the time of Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth's time. Later on, the lesson is more related to the French Revolution. The lesson is more related to the French Revolution. When did it happen? 1789. 1789. 1789. This date is a great Reed Turner as well we can say. And did Swami Vivekananda went in USA, he used this word returning to the Vedas. He told to the whole people, return to the Vedas, because our Vedas are the initiator, beginner, founder of the whole cultures. He told this thing to them. Similarly, William Wordsworth, who born English, says in English literature, 1789 is important because it was the time of French Revolution. Due to French Revolution. What was the causes of this revolution? What were the causes?
Sir, there were 3 estates in France and there were monarchy, Louis XVI.
Again,
the third estate have to pay all the taxes and first and second estate also takes taxes from only the third estate. And the monarchy found that the entire treasury is empty. So he said that I will raise the taxes for the third estate. So the third estate created National Assembly and constructed the Bastille jail, which was the power of king on 14 July 1789. Then the National Assembly was formed by third estate and French Revolution started.
so it is the external changes and political changes that came in the scenario of the atmosphere and environment of the France and other European countries. But literary based, psychologically and philosophically, what changes brought in the minds of the people? People were running just after collecting the materialistic goods. They were just running after collecting comfortabilities, luxuries, outwardnesses, hypocrisies, whatsoever they can collect, they were running just after these things. Then what happened? What was the result of that things? It was the French Revolution in 1789. Later on, there was the birth of William Wordsworth, 1798. It was the time of 1798 in English literature, in European literature. In 1798, William Wordsworth wrote lyrical ballads. What did he write? Lyrical ballads. With the collaboration of S.T. Coleridge. These were the two literary giants of the Romantic age. This age was the age of romance. William Wordsworth told to the whole nation that if you want to have the real romance with anyone, then that is the nature. That is the nature. Nature is our true friend. He says, addressed, advocated, appealed to the whole world that nature is our true friend. It is stable forever. It will never beat, defeat, cheat. You can write it. You can write these words. Nature can never beat, cheat and defeat. Nature can never beat, cheat and defeat. Worldly people. About the worldly people, what does he say? William Wordsworth suggests to her sister, her name was Dorothy Richardson. Dorothy Richardson. He suggests to her that never love with these worldly people, because worldly people may beat, cheat, and defeat you. But it is only the nature that is friendly forever, that is familiar forever, that is very close to you. This lesson, this example was given by William Wordsworth to the whole nation. And he propounded, experimented that what is poetry? Poetry क्या होती है? Poem क्या होती है? इसके बारे में लिखा विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ ने. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of our powerful feelings that recollected in tranquility of our heart and mind. एक राइटर को, एक पोइट को, एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी राइटर को एक अच्छी राइटिंग करने के लिए उसको वर्ड्स को डिक्शनरी में से सर्च नहीं करना पड़ता, क्योंकि वो जो वर्ड है वो नेचुरली क्रिएशन होती है उसके ब्रेन चाइल्ड. इट बिकम्स नेचुरल क्रिएशन ऑफ हिज ब्रेन चाइल्ड. वर्ड्स नेचुरली कम्स आउट. So he like spontaneous